Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial video on how to export your audio files in your guitar projects so that it's just your file and nobody else's, and that you can organize everything as a album in iTunes. So first things first is you're going to open up the project. Here I have Feliz Navidad, and I just quickly laid on a track. I'm going to add my name. There it is. All right, and it's very important to make sure that everybody else's file is muted. You don't want to hear somebody else's file on top of yours, and you don't want them to hear yours later on. So make sure to mute. Make sure that this M is blue on all the tracks except for yours, because you want to be able to hear yours. So I'm going to unmute my track, and this is a quick recording on an out-of-tune guitar with a broken string, so it's not any Grammy award-winning recording of Feliz Navidad. And I have it so that I can hear it. It sounds great. And now I need to share it. And in order to share it, I'm going to go up to File. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom where it says Share. I'm going to hit Song to iTunes. And here is where a lot of the information, this is going to be kind of the busy work, because muting tracks is not busy or difficult. It's just simple work. So here we are going to put the title of the song. So it's High School Feliz Navidad. And I'll put together a list of, I think this might have been like 8 or something. And I'll tell you what track you want this to be. And it's important to put that number there because it's going to help organize everything in iTunes automatically. So I'm going to say this is 8 Feliz Navidad. My artist name is going to be my first name, last initial, end with a period, no space. And album is Semester 1. Again, no space. And it's really important because if you add a space, it creates a whole different album. So no space after the period in your last initial, or after 1 semester. After this, I'm going to hit share. What's going to happen is it's going to bounce. Because I have a whole bunch of other files muted, it's kind of giving them the time. It's okay. I'm not going to hold it against you if there's a minute of silence afterwards. I just want to be able to hear it. And there it is. Now, later on, it's going to be under Artists. If I go to Artists and go to Jeremiah G, here is the album Semester 1 and Feliz Navidad. And what's going to happen is when we come to uploading it into the Google Classroom, or not Google Classroom, to your Google Drive and sharing it with me, you can drag it all from right here as one as one folder, and it will automatically put all the songs up there, making your life super easy. If you have any questions, flag me down or Matt down, and we'll be glad to help you out. All right. Thank you very much.